Alrighty, so let's get started with our development process. In this video, we're going to cover step 1 and 2 of creating the TypeScript classes for country and state, and also adding methods to the form service for countries and states. Alrighty, swinging into our IDE here. Let's go ahead and open up a new terminal window. And we'll move into the appropriate directory for our project. And I'll make use of the ng generate command to create those classes for me. So I'll generate the country class, and then I'll do a similar command here for generating the state class. Okay, this is great. So I can kind of swing back a bit, look into my source app common directory, and I should see country.ts and state.ts. Okay, great. So that was successful. I'll do a quick cleanup here on this terminal window so I can have some space, some room to work with. Zoom in here on my country class, and I'll create 3 fields here. I'll have the ID, the code, and the name. Alrighty, that looks good. Let's do a similar thing here for the state class. So zoom in here. And I'll have the state ID and the state name. Alrighty, so that's great. I like that. Now let's go ahead and move to step 2 of adding methods to the form service for countries and states. So I'll swing down here to my service for our Love to Shop form service. And so I'll start off by simply setting up the country's URL and also the state's URL. So that's the country's URL. I'll do a quick little copy paste on this. And then I'll just update for state's URL. And that's /API/states. And then I'll inject the HTTP client because I know I'll need to make some REST calls. Alrighty, so that looks pretty good so far. Make sure my imports are correct up top for the import on that client. Okay, great. So we're in good shape with this coding so far.